What have been some highlights from the lectures?
Highlights from the lectures.
Wow.
So I'm not the person who can now give you one specific.
Some highlights, so more than one, please.
But for me, it's really more about the overall package, like the networkings, understanding, or getting the opportunity to talk to those high-level tiers who really like.
Name?
At the beginning, you're really afraid to talk to CEOs, to people who have a saying in a company, and then at some point, if you're starting to interact with them, you're really learning to go with the flow, go more natural, and really be yourself in those conversations. And I also learned that you have a value to bring to the table, because usually, I think when you're in a day-to-day business and you're just working all the time, you sometimes forget what you can actually do and how you can add value to companies, and that it's not just you wanting a job, but it's also the company searching for a job. And that for me was one of the key insights that I really changed my perception on how do I want to be seen in the job market, and how do I want to address a job that I'm doing.
So you will say like those moments that you have the chance to interact with the managers or high level people.
Yeah, that was super valuable. The networks.
Yeah, the networking. Yeah, the networks.
And then also the cohort itself. Like, I think we have such a rich set of people from all around the world.
Yes.
Learning from their cultures, learning from their way of thinking and addressing topics. I think
absolutely.
That's really valuable.
Absolutely. Like, yeah, those are the highlights. Like outside of a class and go to cheese fondue.
Yeah, eat some cheese fondue.
Go have some cheese fondue.
I think there were some people who had cheese fondue the first time in the course, right?
Yes, I think so. Yeah, it's like also like some Swiss cultural 101. Yeah, food culture.
So the full pack, you get the full package.
Yeah, I get the full package.
What would you say were your highlights?
Like highlights from the program. I really enjoy like every time we go out of class, like to go company visit or to go somewhere like to U Inc. Sometimes it takes place like somewhere else. And for example, like we did the case cracking jump, like a boot camp, right?
Yeah.
In Zurich, like 3 days intensively to learn how to do the case study. And we had an audience with us like for 3 days, like keep
the external speaker, right?
Yeah, external speaker.
Or organizer.
Yeah. Super cool, because like for a person like who had no business background or a consulting background, know nothing about case study, that is like super efficient, or like for me it's super insightful, and yeah, and I really learned a lot from those moments.
Professional talents.
Exactly, like he has a lot of.
I think he was 8 years at McKinsey and then founded his own company. So I think this really shows it's really professional people in the program who are able to really teach you by experience, not just by theoretical knowledge.
Yeah, exactly. That is like really highlights for me.
Cool.
Yeah.